What's up, guys? Welcome to the new series of Trash to Treasure. We're going to be doing here is a 24-foot, it's like a formula boat. We're going to be turning this boat here into a center console. To start off, what we've done is started to strip this thing down. It's become my local trash can for the moment. We plan on taking the stringers out here. It's all rotten out. Got the local truck bed here stuck in here. This is my new studio area because my HOA decided they didn't want me to be doing these kind of projects in my front yard. So I had to build me a new fence. Got the sweet little golf cart over there hanging out. That's in my first video that I made the other day. And what we can do. Our goals here are to chop the back of this bad boy off flat. We're going to clean the inside of this thing out. And we're going to add 10 feet. So overall this boat right now is 24 foot 6 inches. We're going to chop 4 inches off the back. Add 10 feet to this bad boy. So let's see how that happens. Started off with this console over here that I bought. My thoughts on watching different YouTube videos and other people creating videos that I wanted to make my own console, my own leaning post. Probably gonna build a T-top for this bad boy and yeah, get her going. A little backstory on this rig. We bought the boat. Pictures you'll see of it, there was 2 outboard brackets because originally was an IO, but had 2 outboard brackets on the back of it. We sold the outboard brackets for exactly the same amount that we paid for the boat. So we're into this boat, trailer, including the flat tire, exactly for free. So anything we do from here is just, you know, mess it up. It's all right. Not a big deal. We're not losing money. We're going to be building a 4-foot deck on the front. Nice little sitting area here in the front. The console, leaning post, and don't forget we're adding 10 feet, so have us a nice big back open area. There's my dog. What's up, dog? This is the old lizard hunter. Look at that dog right there. Adding 10 feet, and they're going to have a nice platform on the back of it. And then we're shooting for brand new Suzuki 300s. I want this boat to at least go 60, 65. And we're gonna do a full Coosa board. Stringers, transom, and I'll include some of the ideas that I have for this thing. And we'll get her going. I think it'll be pretty fun. I think it's gonna be a lot of work. I am in the Brevard County area. So I am looking for like a 30-35 foot aluminum boat trailer because, well, this one's 24 foot and I don't think we're gonna have ourselves enough room on this bad boy when we add 10 feet to this thing. So stay tuned, subscribe. Let's go on this journey together. I think it's gonna be fun. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it yet. I think it's gonna be like Trash to Treasures or what horrible mistake do you think that I made here? I don't know. Let's see what we can do. Let's have some fun. I'm learning with you guys, so we're learning together. If you guys have any comments, any questions, any thoughts on what I've done or how I should do it better, don't be scared. Criticism is criticism, and I only learn from doing it, messing it up, and starting it all over again. So let's see what we can do. Let's get on this, and next up we're gonna start cleaning this bad boy and cutting stringers. And it's a hot day today, and I don't think I'm gonna make it through this without at least a gallon of water. So come take this sweet boat apart.